Good morning. Thursday already. What a week. Yeah, so I think I got the audio covered now and the background music. That is not too loud and not like unhearable. Good morning. Oh. Running my own stream through the mic. Yeah, so let's see. Got the chart set up with reversal bars again. Dome next to it. Yeah, let's see how it goes. How's the delay, by the way? Like, is there like a lot of delay, or is it not so bad? We're open. Let's see. Let's see how it is with the Rithmic delay. If I put it in order, how long it's going to take. So it's right now it's no... Okay, that's good. It's about to say there's no lag on the platform, so if there's lag then it's on Rithmic. Well, it seems good so far. Yeah, let's see. This test to the PPSC could, you know, hold. I'm not too inclined to buy it right away for the open. A bit tricky, I think. Order-wise, would be nice. So I don't want to make the same mistake as yesterday. Trying to buy it too soon, but I don't see a sell right now. It still can go low from here, but there's no entry for me. Right now they're just testing the low from this volume here, I feel. Yeah. It's not pushing through it a little bit. So the lower end is like 71.50. Yeah, I'll wait a bit. It's better. Hey, good morning. Custom indicators at the moment not, because we spent a lot of time tweaking performance on it, making sure it's running smooth, and we're still having ongoing work on that. Actually, as we speak, they're working on it. So probably no custom indicators at the time, unless we can ensure that it's not going to impact performance. Yeah. What kind of indicator do you plan to run on it then? Because you know, like if we could work on it together, then we can ensure it's good, and maybe we can work something out. You know, that's always something that we can look into. Well, so where's moving lower? Let's see if they want to try and catch it or just run the range. Because you know, we could definitely test back into the, I don't know, like 25-ish. Or is it 20? That area. It shouldn't be too hard. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Again, like it's rollover week, so you know, volume-wise, it's not the best to do analysis. So for me, it's kind of like, don't like to trade this. There we go, acceleration. Yeah, but like, yeah, where do you short it, right? So you would have shorted. You should have shorted at right at the open, kind of. Or oh, I did it before, but you know, or okay, just kind of looking to decide if they want to, you know, do a V recovery again, or they can let it go. Tough one. Maybe I'll be just watching. Decent bounce so far. to the volume here. Yeah, so I meant this little ledge, volume ledge. $68.50. So that, you know, could have been an entry, but yeah. But again, there's like a lot of disconnect between the NQ and ES, and yeah, throwing me off a little bit to do something at all. No. But yeah, we can always wait, of course. Well, sometimes it's very hard. It's something that we have to do a lot. So NQ is kind of moving higher now, but the ES is not really willing to follow. So who's gonna do the fake out, right? Is NQ gonna smack it down? Any hotkeys? Yeah, a lot of hotkeys actually. Let me show you. But with that also, you know, it's for the dome, for example. But I'm open to suggestions, you know, like if you, something that you really want to have, yeah, we can build it. Yeah, here's some in general. But yeah, I like hotkeys, so you know, if you have good suggestions, We'll add it. Yeah, so still not letting up. NQ is kind of also taking a step back. So that's too bad. Well, so yeah, so I pointed out his volume, right? And that's exactly where it's stalled. Nice. How long have you been trading full time? Cool, very nice. Long time as well. Okay, yeah, I switched pretty quickly to futures actually. Also started with stocks, but yeah. Are we gonna hit VWAP and bounce? That's the question. Could be nice, but I'm not sure if I want to catch it. Like, NQ is still kind of like, you know, showing some buyers. Ah, okay. Yeah, I don't think you can do that here now. Here we go. Here is VWAP. Maybe I could bounce. I think I'll try it small, maybe. Maybe one ad and then that's it. And just for 2 points, I guess. Oh. Really? Just missed it. Oh, I'm too slow. That was 2 points. Oh, that's annoying. Not sure it can work again. Yeah, that sucks. Kind of want to do one ad, but that's it. Not before I exit, so okay. So I was in here, yeah, shit. I kind of wanted to have the ad before I had the other one, but anyway, it's fine. Yeah, shit. So yeah, and that's why I wanted to add before I had the other one off, and now it's going without me. Perfect. That's perfect. Yeah. That's unfortunate. Yeah. So with here with FTT, there's no commissions, right? So I'm literally still at 0. But yeah, this would have been Nice. If I got the ad before I exited the other one, so now I have nothing, right? Yeah, I'm not sure if I want to be long again if it goes back. So, to be honest. Yeah, that was bad management on my end. Ah man. 5 points, yeah. Yeah, this sucks. I mean, it's definitely interesting, right? I mean, it's interesting for sure. Yeah, I just like this end of day drawdown, barely any rules, so I'll give it a go. But yeah, maybe too much drama. I don't know. But it's, yeah. Hello, nice to see you here. You like all the artists? Okay. Yeah, I don't like many, to be honest. It's also weird for me because most of my life I still traded on live accounts, right? So it's a bit, I don't know, weird. I mean, I watch NQ for correlations. So I watch NQ. I used to watch more, but to be honest, I I very much sized down the last years. Momentum, yeah, it's nice. Yeah, I like it too. Yeah, man, if I just had my 2-point fill and I was not too slow, would it be nice? Yeah. Now it's all bets off, I think. NQ is going lower too, so that might take out some stops below. Like around the 70s, something, maybe. Yeah, it's hard to... I don't know, I kind of missed it now. And I wouldn't mind shorting it, but where do you short it, right? So where do you... Yeah, no idea. No idea what you're shorting. So I'm still kind of looking for longs, I guess. I mean, I'm reading ES, yes, but I'm looking at Nasdaq, so right, so, but mainly just ES, yes, yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Yeah, it's all still. I mean, yeah, I mean, you know, it went up a lot already. Doesn't mean it cannot go up anymore. Something I learned the last 15 years. But yeah, like I said, I would like to short it, but I don't know. I don't see an entry right now. You would have had to short it, just and then hoping for the best. But I didn't see a short opportunity with a good risk. So that's why I ended up buying the rewrap, which, you know, would have worked for 2 points if I exited and then entered again, and then I had more. But yeah, my exit, I got filled for a scratch before I filled the other one, which is a bit unfortunate. But yeah, what do you do? What do you do? I shouldn't have been so. It was just one lot, so I would have been maxed in 2 lots. So it's just like, you know, it's fine. Because I wouldn't mind having 10 lot on. But not today, I guess. Like, this is rollover week, and it's, I don't know, it's super uncomfortable for me because, you know, volume is still split between 2 contracts, and, you know, people doing rollovers. Yeah, I don't know. Not my week. But yeah, so well, 62. Wait, 62. I mean, yeah. Now we can say that, right? Now it's easy to see. Yeah. But yeah. 9945. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I like my targets are pretty tight, so it's pretty short term. So I don't like to just short like a area. So I kind of, you know, don't like to short. These setups were not for me; they were just there. Yeah. Rollover? I probably won't be trading. No. And normally I don't trade on Fridays because I really don't like it. So I normally just don't trade, or just, you know, or maybe just one ES for the gamble, but it's usually a bad idea. But usually I don't trade it. No, just skip it. Yeah, too much risk for me. Too much unknowns, no real edge. Yeah. What to look out for volume, and then now I can already see it's like it's very low volume, right? So for me this is not a good week with the rollover. Next week will be good again. So I'm not gonna. Well, yesterday I made a mistake and I traded size, but I don't like to trade size with the rollover week. We got some buyers now. Yeah. But you know, I would have bought it just because, like, you know, they do so many V shapes, and there's no setup right now on the volume analysis really, because, like, you know, it's like it's barely, you can barely see anything. So yeah. But yeah, there are definitely buyers again. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I'll be right back though, like 2 minutes. All right. what feeds are enabled. So right now we are just connecting to Rithmic, and so we're gonna release the platform with just Rithmic, and then we have plans to add the X feed, and well, we have some other plans, but first that one probably. Yeah, take it from there. Let's see where people request the most. Yeah. Oh man, see. Would have been some nice longs. Oh well. Right? Did I tell you V-shaped recoveries? Kinda is, right? I mean, it's not like huge, but yeah, decent bounce. Yeah. But yeah, let me think. So we can do. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, Xfeed, that's the one from TopStep, right? I'm not sure if they're already open, because I think we've been in contact with them, but I'm not sure if they're open already for other third parties. So I think it's just mainly for TopStep X at the moment, but I could be wrong. And CQG, yeah, CQG could be, yeah. Those were the top ones that we talked about already. Yeah, for sure. Wait, so I'm speaking and now it's exactly at the price I marked at 6.6. I kind of want to try to short it, but I feel I'm gonna get run over this time. So NQ is also trying. Missed it. Wow, you have to be quick today. I'm still not sure. I'll try one, I guess. No fill. Jesus, I'm so slow today. Let's see. Really? I'm not gonna film me. There we go. 2 points. Okay, thank you. Wow, lucky not fill. See that? Wow, got the low tick. Crazy. Okay, so I got 2 points on the short on the VPOC level, pretty much. I mean, I missed it. I did 3 ticks lower. I would have shorted this one, the one I marked. And then was talking to you guys. Anyway, it's fine. But yeah, I don't know. Would it be nice to just, you know, do 2 lots and then I can scale out, so you can hold now until like here or something, 59, 60. But whatever. So like 59, 60, 60. NQ is trying also now to move up, but it might fail still. I don't know, I have my 2 points, so I'm good. And normally I want to trade up with size, right? Just not this week, and not on Rithmic, because FTT is moving to their private server, right, with Rithmic, and they have some issues. Yeah, that stuff works on my nerves, right? So, I mean, we saw the same thing with Apex, right? When they were overloading and growing too fast, so they had the same issues. And they still had a few when they moved to their private server. right? So they needed to scale up more, and that didn't happen so fast because Rithmic is not super fast with that, unfortunately. But yeah. Well, let's see. I think they're moving to their private server. I think end of today. It would be nice. It would give me a little bit more confidence to trade size. Yeah. I'm a bit bumped by the VWAP trade though. I'm not sure why I exited already the one before buying the other one. I said I wanted to add, right, and didn't get the fill for the ad, and then it went away from me. Oh well. Now it's again just moving up. Yeah, not bad for the longs. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, oh, we had news. I totally forgot that, right? So that was like 4 minutes ago. Housing something. Existing home sales. Yeah. Oh Jesus, I totally forgot. Was I just out just before that? I think so. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, I still need to get into the stream flow, like paying attention to things, trading wise and news wise. But I'm sure it will be okay in the end. Let's see. Oh man, yeah. Yeah, but I don't know. I again today I don't want to really trade size, and tomorrow I'm probably not going to trade at all. Yeah. Let's see. But yeah, woohoo! We're up 2 points with one lot. I mean, better than nothing, right? Yeah, it's very hard reads with this low, with this split volume, and you know, roll over a week. Very tricky for me, at least. From my trading style, it's the worst week to trade. But you know, if you do like, I don't know, whatever, look into, I don't know how you trade, like moving averages or just candlestick patterns or whatever. Yeah, I'm sure it could still work. For me, it's just a bit hard this week. Actually, I wanted to start the stream next week because of that, but I was like, no, I'm not gonna delay it. I'm gonna do it now. Let's see. I'm just gonna do it. Yeah, we'll see. With that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, give it some likes, guys, so YouTube can push it a little bit. So far, it's not very much, so I'm very happy with you guys taking some time to watch it. Very much appreciate it. Yeah. But yeah, so analytical market theory. So I understand that you want to short it, but like you see now, right? It just went up just as quick. And I feel that's kind of like a pattern lately that I really want to be careful with, because you know, especially when I started trading futures like 15 years ago, I was so much on the short side and everything went only up, right, since 09, so it was very tough on me. I think I think you can be a lot more comfortable now with shorting, because we went so far, but it doesn't mean we can go further, right? So that's kind of like, yeah, and I guess that's kind of my point. Like, I'm not like in the prediction business. I'm just like reacting to what I see and then hope it's going to work out, and then I have like a risk set for that, and it can either work or not, and yeah, but sometimes for me it's very hard to you know, like not going on tilt still. even after 15 years. Yeah, it's kind of sad, but it's just, it's the truth. You know, and I always was able to save myself in my live accounts, and I mean these funding firms, you know, it's so easy to blow them also, right? And yeah, I'm doing this now on YouTube also, just to prove to myself, I guess, you know, that I even with those rules from those prop firms that are, you know, much tighter than your own account, because there are no rules. The only rule is a margin call. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, and obviously, you know, to promote the platform, let's be honest. But yeah. Let us see. Yeah, but this is not really the flow I want to go for. Not really. Yeah. A lifetime, probably not. I did that with the previous software that we had. Yeah, it kind of takes away from future development, right? So I don't want to run into like running out of money or something. So there's not going to be more development. I want to keep developing this, keep making it better, you know, and give everyone like the best experience of a trading platform. And, you know, especially also because we're gonna be doing it's gonna be web-based, right? So you can do this from the browser, so you can have the same thing that you're seeing right now. I'm running it on an app now, but it's the same thing in the browser. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool. But as you can imagine, it's very costly to develop and maintain. So yeah, I kind of don't want to do lifetimes, I think. Never say never, right? But at the moment, no. Yeah, and a copier. A copier is the top thing on our list. It is. Yeah, a copier. Yes, that's something I'm missing myself also. Although I still want to. I do want to get a payout first from this one. So yeah, well, if I get there. And then you know, scale into more accounts and then copy trade. But I'm still not super familiar with copy trading because, you know, with a live account, yeah, I never really did that. But yeah, I'm a bit late to the prop firm party, so to say. But I think it's super interesting until the CME steps in. Let's you know, let's not forget that they're probably gonna step in at some point. But yeah. Let's see. Yeah. So what instruments are you guys trading? Also only ES, or like I guess most of you also trade NQ, or any of you do like some Eurex trades maybe, or bonds or whatever. So I mainly trade like ES. Like 99% of the time. Thanks for the sub, Alex. Nice. Boons and NQ. Okay, cool. Nice. Boons. You mean Boons as in the German one, right? Otherwise it's Bond, I guess? Or is it a typo? I'm thinking like, because like FTT is planning to add Eurex, I'm thinking to maybe trade the Bund as well, and maybe some Euro stocks, the FES6, because I traded those when I was trading for a real prop firm in Amsterdam, and it used to have like similar volume to the that one. I only know to say it in Dutch, so I said it FGBL. Yeah, FGBL. Anyway, that one. Yeah, cool. That's nice. That's a nice one too. I traded that one too. But yeah, that's years ago now. I'm thinking. Oh, they have Eurex. Really? Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. Yeah, that might not be too bad as well. Oh, okay, interesting. That is interesting. Okay. Huh. Yeah, but so you probably know the Euro stocks then as well, right? It's similar. I feel well. I haven't looked at it in a couple of years, I guess, but it was always used to be similar to ES. And ES, I think it's gonna become a lot emptier. You know, the books are super empty now. Like if you look at it right now, yeah, there's like 50, 60, 70 per price. And yeah, if you look at that video that I have on this YouTube, and that's why I use this channel, it's from 12 years ago, you can see like it was trading like 1,000 lots on every price, at least 1,000 on both sides. And yeah, that's gone. And so I don't know how the Euro stocks is right now. Actually, I should maybe look it up sometime. But yeah, they had pretty good books to trade from. So you can do some size as well. Yeah, with support. I mean, you can trade size everywhere, but like with something to back it up, right? Not that you're the biggest, like, like you don't want to trade like, you know, 50 lots here in this book. It's kind of, I don't know, tricky. But yeah, with Eurostocks that was no issue at all. Yeah. I mean, it also didn't used to be an issue with ES actually. But that's like 10 years ago or something. Yes. Alright, so this might... So if this rejects, it could be a good short. Then it needs to stay below 70, 50, 70, 50, more or less. Otherwise it's a no-go to me. It needs to stay below. And then we have to... Yeah, it needs to stay below this area pretty much. I don't know. Maybe just do nothing. Be happy with my measly 2 points. 101 lot. Yeah, like I said, I'll be back to full force trading next week, but when the rollover is done. Yep. Oh, here we go. So this blows through it, see? So now we could maybe short the retest to like... Oh, okay, I'm not gonna do that. No. Okay, cool. But to be honest, like, I'm not sure if it's good short actually. It's kind of just balancing it out, right? So this is the high volume point here. Then it's doing like 2, like, well, 3 I guess. So 72, 73, 3 up, 3 down. So it's basically just algorithm work, right? So it's just algorithms, and probably maybe getting people short below this little low, and then. So I'm not really sure is this actually a real rejection. Probably not actually. Now I look at it. Yeah, I think I'll just stay flat. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so you know, would have stopped me out on the short here. If I try that. And Q min new high. Yeah, that's just a wait. And I can still run the highs also as well for ES, right? So right now there's 73s. Can easily go to 79s now. So then we should have been long. No, or just flat. Or just flat. But yeah, the VWAP buy at the bottom, that was a tough scratch. Yeah, I mean, I would never hold it till now, but yeah, it was a nice buy. It was. No. Actually, did go lower after that? Yeah, it did go lower. Yeah, so I bought here. Okay, so I bought here. Yeah, so I bought it here and then went. No, I would never hold it at that much. 54 to 48. No, probably not. Nope. So it's fine. No. Yeah, I use footprint for sure. Yeah. Yes, I did. And at the time, I didn't have my own platform, right? So we built a custom API to connect to the you know, the how do you call it, the raw data feeds that we had to bookmap at the time. Yeah, so that was funny. And so we connected all to all the data, it's like with stocks, everything, all the raw data that we got from the exchanges. Yeah. 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 That was fun times. Yeah. So footprint charts I've been using for like 13 years, I guess. Maybe 14. I think it was not too far after I started trading. So I've been trading for 15 plus years now. So I had probably 14 years trading mainly with footprints. Yeah, probably. Yeah. I feel old now. Oh, let me I forgot the charger of my Mac. I'll be right back. Alright. Well, they didn't hit the high, so they still can, of course, and they probably should. But if not, where do we short it? That is the question. I don't know. Look, I'm super patient now, because I don't like rollover. But like normally, like this is a good test, right? So here you have the up, down, you have the volume here, and then usually short around the highest volume that So I would be short then around here with the stop here, but I'm just not feeling it today or this week. For some matter of fact, so yeah, let's see what next week will bring. Probably a lot better opportunities for me. Too late, my MacBook died. But yeah, so NQ made new highs and still above the previous high, but AES is still not doing that well in comparison. Yeah, if anything, maybe we should long it down here. Like this is the inflection point, right? This area that I marked should now be then maybe good for longs. Could be. Could be. Oh, 700. Jesus, 700 contracts there. See that? 700 hit, so it was a big iceberg. Well, big. For this book, it's big. So let's see if they wanna go above it or not. So 72. Huh. It's a big seller. Or are they doing that to get along? Who knows? Yeah, I kind of feel like I want to buy it because this feels like a fake down move. Not sure. Should I just try one lot? Really? Just missed it. Really? 1 second too late. 1 second too late. Okay, another one. Oh man. Yeah, I felt that was coming. So now it's probably gonna go over to 72. Still can stall. I think the iceberg is gone now, so they're gonna move it higher without stopping. Yeah. Good read, bad execution. Jesus Christ. Why is this so hard, guys? Why? Being easy 2 points. Yeah, that sucks. So now you would have exited one scale here, 315, then the other one. Okay. Well, almost had it. A second slow. Too slow. No. Wow. Big push. There news? No, right? It's no news. No, it just stops, I guess. Time stops. Sure, that would have been a nice long. With a runner. So 70, 78, yeah. Wow. And we're just watching. Well, I'm at least just watching. Anyone got this long? I hope you did. Wow, look at the rip. Damn. Well, I'm a bit sad. Yeah. They don't want to chase, usually when you chase it, you get it right back in your face. Yeah. Yeah. Look at it go. So yeah, could have tried to buy it here on the you know, the sweep, retest of the sweep, but yeah, I'm not feeling that. This would have been nice if I just filled there. Yeah, 10 points higher. Yeah. What do you do? Nothing. Well, at least the reads are good. I feel there's like so many stops still above, right? From like, this is like higher than the last couple of weeks or something, right? Or from when? From, yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Yeah. In the old days, I would try to short it, you know, for a pullback, and then get burned trying to short it. It always can push further than you have margin for. But yeah, this, you know, if I was really pushing it, this would be the entry, you know, like well, maybe one here, and then see what goes. Yep. But yeah, so I'm a bit bummed that I just, like, you know, when I the second I put in the order, it's swept up a point. And yeah, it never filled me, so well. But it's also the stream pressure, guys. I don't wanna, you know, mess it up. Maybe if I was by myself, I was just like, yeah, screw it, I'm just buying it. Let's see. Like a point more risk, whatever. But yeah. Want to do well for you guys. Yes. I'm not super happy with just $100 on the day. I feel like I at least should like risk 100 to make at least like another 100 or something. Yeah. But where? Where? That's the question. So yeah, so I want to make 2 more points, or maybe like 2.5 or something. 10 ticks. Yeah. where are we gonna find a setup? Maybe we won't. Let's find it. Yeah, this was kind of like a thing, like reject back to volume. It's not so super tricky. I don't know, tricky. But after this push, maybe I could have tried it. Yeah, to do that. Yeah. 58 quarter. Not anymore, but for next time. How are you guys doing? Are you long? Are you short? Are you also waiting? Okay, so it would have worked again. Too bad. Oh no, it was here. So this one, next one. Yeah. 58.75 to. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Noted. Noted. That's good. Easily test back to this volume here also. You know. 78. 78 quarters. Go. Yeah. Yeah, 4 points or even 2. Depends on how it goes. I'll adjust my bracket accordingly. Depends, and also depends on the size sometimes. Nice, yeah, let's go. Yeah, I mean, it could work, yeah. Maybe I should have done that too, you know? What a mess. Yeah. And only 4 points. I mean, 4 points for me is good. There we are. 78. Good bounce there, actually. I'm gonna buy there. Yeah, 4 points is like, you know, 200 per contract. So if you are in a 5 lot, it's 1K. Yeah. Not too bad to me. Yeah. Wow, exactly to where I marked it. Yeah. Would not have filled there though, but so, no, probably not. But good level, good level. Yeah. My levels are so good today, and I'm not making money. But yeah, 750k volume now. Oh really? I didn't even look at that. Are we up 100 points from yesterday? Jesus. Ah. Well, maybe I would have had more balls to short it then. for a scalp. 2-point scalp. Okay, okay. Ah, NQ up 560 points, okay. Alright, not too shabby. Yep. Let's see. Is this the fake out lower? So we're gonna buy it back up, or was this it? Was this it? Because if it is, then we could buy this one. Yep. And then no, fake out. Okay, cool. Oh, got another volume here. Oh, interesting. It kind of this volume LED's kind of what makes me buy it, but I'm not sure if I should because like it feels super tricky right now. Yeah, now it goes below. Yeah, I did the same the other way around. See that here? Then poop, do blow it and then back up. So if it's gonna do the same and then back, no, I don't think it looks like a real injection. Then it might do that again, right? That's what I'm thinking. So if it goes above it again, then it might be good for new highs. Trading NQ futures, nice. Ah man, yeah, it feels more like a reducer. I have troubles pulling the trigger today. So I kind of want to buy it for a push over 78 again, but yeah. No charges in Q or yeah, it's rollover. It's very deceptive in my opinion. It's like it's not real. It's very hard to read it. Yeah, so maybe I just should do nothing. You know, please don't lose then, right? But I'm thinking for another bounce because this is again the breakout level here, and it's like just below. I can maybe just try it. You know, just risk the profits that I have, whatever. Like, did I miss it again? Oh Jesus! Now I don't want it anymore. Damn it! So annoying. No. So annoying. Yeah, no, it's not gonna go well, probably. No, it's stopping out. Probably, yeah. Oh well, let's try it. I think they still should bounce, to be honest. I'm not sure why they should. Ah, really? Do it again? Stop out at... Ah, no. I stop out close to the low and then it goes. Super annoying. So I maybe should have just waited for this level here. Yeah. Oh, man. Oh, man. Should I just risk something? I mean, it's kind of like a boredom trade, to be honest, but yeah. So then I should buy it here, right? So I'm not sure why, to be honest. Maybe just stay flat, it's better. Probably. Yeah, I still want to see them going, pushing it higher, to be honest. I'm not sure why, because they're already so up so much. Yeah, maybe I should get it out of my head. Oh, well, would have worked, I guess. Let's see. But so if where do you short it from? Yeah, pretty much here again, right? So 28. Ah, missed it. Okay. That was it. Oh, smacking it down. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Too bad. No, yeah. I'm not sure why I'm so focused on longs, to be honest. Like, it's up so much, also. Yeah, I don't understand that stuff myself. Custom studies like what? Like, what do you consider a custom study? I mean, should we just try along? Oh, it's moving. Oh, it's moving. Seems like it's delaying. No, no, nothing custom at the moment. No. Why is it so, like? Look, the streaming software like interferes sometimes now with the. It's super annoying. I'm not sure why. So I can do. Yeah. Where do you short it? Streamlabs. Yeah. It's not going very smooth. Yeah, yeah, it's just like you have a little bit nicer options with Streamlabs, right? So I'm thinking of buying a new computer or something for that, but yeah. Ah, man. I kind of just want to, just for kicks, I just want to buy it for a bounce, but it looks so bad. Should I really chase it? I don't think I should. I kind of just want to mess around with it. Man, really? Really? That's annoying. Man, I'm just missing. I just want to go long again. It's just like it's running away from me all the time. Like Jesus, like what the hell? Okay, is this a reject then, or is no? They're gonna go. So just kind of like VPS. I don't know. I kind of feel they're gonna run it up again just because I can, right? Ah man, they don't let me buy it. I wanna put in bits, but it's just running it up. Jesus. So annoying. Or this could be the fake out and then we can go. Because if they're gonna go below VPOC, this might be bad as well. Where's that? 9 Yeah, it could be. I don't know. Really? I just want to get out. It's not working, so luckily, if I'm lucky, I don't stop out and I get break even, but I'm probably gonna just stop out. Not sure what I want to do here. Should I still short it now? Feels like breaking down a bit. I'm not sure. There was a lot of work for nothing, guys. We're up a little bit. On the short, but like, to be fair, it should even go lower now, right? It should test, yeah, right here, like the VPSC again, and then it should go lower. If this is really a break, still hold. But if so, 70s is good here to hold. 70. Still be good for another retest. I'm not sure. Let's see. Yeah, no fill. Okay, fine. No, I'll hold off. They're just playing in the margin, really, like this, like the one lot action. Like, yeah, what are you gonna do? Too low. Yeah. I kind of just, I have to go also soon, I guess. Yeah. Now it goes. Fuckers. Now it goes. I would have got my. Did I? I would have got my fill. Yeah. See, I was like here 70 quarter. Would have been a. Jeez, would have been a perfect fill. Again, and I didn't do it. That's annoying. That is annoying, guys. The retest would have been a nice short again. Yeah, I didn't click it, but I was holding my mouse the whole time to click it. 70 quarter. What do you do? What do you do, right? Nothing. There's nothing you can do. If you want to trade it, you should click, and if you don't want to trade it, you should not click. But yeah, definitely annoying. Because it would have been another nice 3 point trade. 3 should be 3. Yeah, anyway. Give me some time, guys. Next week it's gonna be full on trading. This is just like whatever. Like, this is annoying. Yeah, short and leave it. Yeah, I'm a scalper. Yeah, I'm not gonna leave it at all. Nah. Most I would do, like, if I leave it, it's maybe for 6, 7, 8 points. More than that, not really. No, I just want to get in and out. Yeah. So that's why my entries need to be pretty good, right? Otherwise you just have too much risk on. Yeah, bracket, yes. But I move the bracket as soon as I have like some kind of like, you know, level that I want to do. If it's like, it's usually close to the bracket, but you know, I just want to try to look at the chart, not to say at the bracket all the time. But yeah, that's sometimes hard. Sometimes it just fills you right away, which is also fine, of course. But yeah. Thank you. Yeah, it's definitely something new. It's still very uncomfortable, you know, like on the spot, like yeah, if you fuck it up, like you, yeah, it's not nice, you know. Yesterday I was close to fucking it up. Very close. I think I have a meeting, so I think with these live streams maybe I should move that meeting. Yeah, got a meeting with the Tradrr team, you know, with the dev team. Yep. Anyway, yeah, I look at imbalances, yeah, for sure. But I'm also looking like at the volume structures inside the reversal bars, because, you know, like you have a lot more like better. Look, yeah, you can have like volume profiles, right? Volume profiles are nice, but it's like longer term, like usually dailies. And I feel like I can see the same thing, but like inside the bars with the reversal bars. On an intraday basis, and I kind of try to use that pretty much. Yeah, no, it's pressure for sure, but you know, sometimes you just gotta I just gotta do it. I can always like stop it, you know, stop doing it. Worst case, I'll delete it. No, I won't delete it. That's gonna be bad, but yeah, no, it's, yeah. We'll see. But I also hope it kind of keeps me in check, right? So sometimes I, you know, like have a tendency to just like tilt trade a little bit, and I'm hoping that, you know, doing it on stream prevents me from doing that. Well, let's see. Maybe, maybe you'll be a witness of that. And I think yesterday I was pretty close. I was like, I think yesterday, if you look at the video from yesterday, I was down 2k or something at some point, and then I was able to trade it back to 750 up. But that didn't make sense at all. All right, so that was something that I would never do. Like, it was a little bit the pressure of the stream, right? So I would never do those trades in my live account or without stream. Yep. Are you entering? Are your entries more based on footprint? Yeah. So my longer term is like the volume profiles, right? And then intraday is like the footprint levels. Plus like other levels like VWAP or VPOC, and if the volume profile forms well, it's like I have to go. It's like the top of the hour. No, well, they can wait, I guess. Let me move the meeting for a couple minutes. Yeah, so then the footprint is the like my intraday how do you say that? Confirmation, I guess, yeah. And then the final confirmation is like I want to see like absorption or like some kind of level hit on the dome, right? So on the thing on the right. But it depends. Like it depends on the setup as well. Yeah. Some ES big dude is absorbing now all sellers. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. It's like trending down from the high now. Okay. Oh, especially NQ. Yeah. Okay. So I moved my meeting 15 minutes. So. Yeah. What else? Yeah. And plus, I look a lot at like what they want to do, right? So I still look at candlesticks, but I'm just like asking myself, like, hey, who would win here? Like, where are the most people off sides? Like, you know, like because everyone wants to short it all the time, but if they end up like not getting that short, like where would it go? And that's probably usually that's new highs, right? So just like we had now, because it looks bad the first like 30 minutes or 20 minutes, looks really bad, right? And then people want to short it, and then that's usually when they move it up. So yeah, I want to look at that. So like, where people are going to be off sides, like what takes them on what gets them on the wrong foot, so to say, right? If that makes sense. Yeah. And then the rest just helps for the triggers, right? So normally the volume helps a lot, but like I said, like with rollover week, the volume is just, you know, it's just divided. It's like not nice to see. Yeah, pretty much that. Time of sales? No, we actually don't have it, but we will add it. Yeah, we will add it. Yeah, but I feel like, you know, because I personally don't use it, but I had some complaints already. So we will add it. Because you can basically see it right in the dome, in the LTQ column. It's ready. For me, at least, that's good enough. See, right now, right, it looks bad, and then I'm like, oh yeah, let's buy it back up. So everyone who's shorting is like, has to buy back, right? So I don't think so, but like, I wouldn't even be surprised if we make new highs. Because everyone thinks like, oh, it's like already up 100 points. Why it doesn't need to go higher, but it could. Right? It could. And usually when people think it cannot go higher, it will go higher, because, you know, then people take positions against it, and then like, oh, oops, I need to buy back now. Yeah. But yeah, that's just you know, that's how I look at it. I'm also often wrong, so whatever. Just yeah. No, exactly. So you know, and then people think like, well, maybe the high is in, but like maybe it's not because, like, of course, the natural tendency of a market is to go up, right? You know, historically. But people like to short it, like especially like shorter term. And they become buyers after they short it. They can become buyers. So I'm always super interesting, like how, like if it looks very very bad, and it goes up fast after, it might continue to go up even faster because so many people have to buy back and thinking like, oh, oops, maybe it doesn't go lower for now, and then it usually goes lower after they all got out, right? So yeah, but yeah, that's kind of how I look at it, and that's how I, you know, like how I learned to look at it in the last 15 years. Yeah. Yeah, we just had another interesting thing here, right? Like at VPSC, they smacked it down, and so again they make it look very bad, right? So it's going down, poof, like they almost market order down, and then they just quickly buy it back up to where it came from. So yeah, how bad is it? I'm not saying it can't go lower, but it's just super interesting. And usually those are the points that like trigger people to oh yeah, now it's going, and then straight back up. Yeah. But no, I don't have an opinion right now. It's just like in the middle. Yeah. 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 Well, let's hope for better times next week. For better opportunities, at least on the order flow part, right? Patience is so hard. Patience is so hard. Even I get caught up in it sometimes still. Like it's, yeah, you're just making up entries, right? Like, oh yeah, maybe this can work. And then usually it costs money. Yeah, good. That's good. Yeah, because I scalp, I can have more entries, right? So, but if I wouldn't scalp, yeah, it would be very little trades. Yeah, and it's definitely the most hard part of trading, I'd say. Yeah, well, there's more things, but it's a big part of it, I feel. Yeah. Yeah, you could do that. I mean, I've tried it all. Like I've traded everything, you know. Yeah, whatnot. But I feel like I have like built up an expertise for the ES. Yeah, so if it's not there, I'm just like, you know, it's just like not there. It's fine. Yeah. But it's definitely tricky sometimes, for sure. Yeah. I just, you know, oh, you don't scalp. Yeah, that's different. If you don't scalp, it's different, I feel. Yeah, for sure. Here we go. Oh, back to VWAP. So this flush down, if they, especially when they go a little bit like under the previous low, would be a super good opportunity for them to just buy it up back up just as fast, and then have to like get people into it. But I'm not sure if it can happen today because this is rollover and, you know, it already went up so much. So I'm not sure that, but like that it would be super interesting. Yeah. So like kind of like now, I guess. Like now they would buy it now. So right now, let's say we're long at 63s, and then, but it has to work right away, otherwise like it's all bets off. But now it should go to 67 instantly, or it's a no-go, or it's a really more chance of a real breakdown. So it should go quickly. Not really doing that. Not really doing that. I feel there's another push coming, and then I should push it now, I guess. Push, push, push. Yeah, there we go. Push. 67, there we go. Yeah, so they might still do that, but it has to hold now. They still have to hold like 66, 66. And then we could be back at like, you know, like at the highest in no time. Right now, yeah, this would be a good fake out, in my opinion. But yeah, it still very much needs to go above the POC, so it needs to go above 70, kind of without stopping. So it just should just keep pushing, should not stop there. Then it's the best chance for a new high, I think. But whatever. All right, guys. Very much appreciate you guys watching. Yeah, if you haven't done so, please give this video also a like. You know, would help the YouTube algorithm a bit. And I see a few of you already subscribed. That's very nice. Thank you. And yeah, I'll go to my meeting to make this platform that you're seeing even better. Right? And yeah, I hope to see you then. Yeah, I'm probably gonna stream again on Tuesday, because normally I don't trade on Mondays and Fridays because like I think they kind of suck to trade. Yep. Yes, we do. Would be nice, right? But it might be hard, you know, to go around the other streamers like Alpine, Matt, Daniel. But we'll see. Would be nice. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Maybe I'll do like an impromptu stream tomorrow, but probably not. But who knows? Who knows? Yeah. All right. Thanks, guys. Then see you later.